Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 167 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a one-year challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I just wanted to come in here, shoot another video. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about in these videos, please go back and watch the previous videos so you can kind of get an idea of where we are, where we started, and kind of what this is all about. Okay. So we've made it to day number 167. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys have no idea what My Legion Secret is, okay, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, and that's depending on how many accounts that you have. All right. So the more accounts that you have, the more likelihood you will get 200 leads in each one of those accounts. Now, if you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. And if you have multiple accounts on that last account that you have, say for instance, if you have four accounts, three of those will get 200 leads and the last one will get 100 until you get someone to sign up underneath that fourth account. All right. And then you'll have 200 leads across the board. Right now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while, guys. I've been with them over 3 years now. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does work. It does convert. Okay. I've received paychecks from My Legion Secret. Also, I've received paychecks from affiliate networks that I use My Legion Secret traffic for. Okay, so I've received income from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, also Max Bounty, and another network called Blue Media Ventures. Okay, now those are going to be the networks that I've used personally that I know that work. But what I found out through case study is that the My Legion Secret traffic, they do respond very well to ClickBank offers. Okay, so that's the one I decided to use for this video series because that works the best, in my opinion. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, just a little bit about myself. I've been with them for a while, and they work really well. Okay, and I've recently gave them a review on Trustpilot. Okay, just so you know. So I just wanted to show you around here, guys. This is the back office of the My Legion Secret. These are the tabs that are coming across here. I mean, your account is going to look identical to mine, okay? The only thing different between your account and my account, obviously, is going to be the affiliate link because you have your own, and then also the emails that you send out versus what I'm sending out. Obviously, we're not sending out the same emails on the same day, so our accounts may look different, but other than that, everything else is still going to look the same. And then also how many, how long you've had your accounts versus the ones I've had. Okay. So, like I said, with my 8 accounts, guys, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to come in every single day and send out these emails. I have a certain amount of emails that I like to send out every single month. And I just rotate those emails day in and day out. Okay. And I just use them over and over and over again. So that's what I would recommend that you guys do is getting started today with the My Legion Secret. Like I said, go back and watch these videos if you need help on learning how to send out an email in the system. Now, there's going to be two ways that you can make money with My Legion Secrets. Number one, is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. You can literally promote this service to the email list, okay, and earn income that way, okay. And also just a quick way to do that, if you wanted just to promote My Legion Secret, you can literally go to the affiliates tab, click on the promo tools tab, come down here, and there's going to be some pre-written email swipes that you can use to promote the service itself. Okay, so you can literally just grab one of these emails, click on this import affiliate link. It's going to take us into the mailing system. And this is where we're going to send out all our emails. So it's just going to click on this right here to load up your email. And then select your subscribers. And then what you will want to do is you're going to want to, let's see here. Basically, these, it's going to already populate a subject line right here. and then it's also going to populate the email. Okay, so basically it's going to give us the email there, and then if you scroll down here, at the bottom, it's going to list the affiliate link. Okay, and then all you have to do is come down here and click on perfect timing, and then come down here and click on send. I've already sent out my emails today because you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay, so just remember that. And just click on send, guys. This email is going to go out to however many people that you have on your list. They're going to click on this link. It's going to take them to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So you don't really have to do anything else. All you have to do is create a really good email or use the pre-written emails, and then your prospects leave a link for your prospects to click on so they can know where to go sign up at if they're interested. All right. So just remember that that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. The other way is going to be using, like I was telling you before, a affiliate network that has business opportunity offers. For this video, I'm using ClickBank. They do have a section in the marketplace on ClickBank where you can use about 4 different business opportunity offers that work really good. Okay. Now, there's going to be 3 ways that you can send out an email in the mailing system. Okay, number one is to create an email. Okay, just create an email based on the offer that you're promoting. You can do it that way. Also, you can use an email AI service or Chat GPT or something like that. You can use that service. That's 2. And then number 3 is using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. You can literally go on one of those offers on ClickBank, one of the 4. They all have pre-written email swipes that you can use that are known to convert. Okay, they're there for a reason. Okay, so literally all you have to do is pick one of those programs, guys, go to the affiliate section and use those emails to copy and paste over to this system. All right. And I'm going to show you what one of those emails look like. So one of those emails are probably going to look something like this. It's going to have a subject line right here telling you income opportunity. And then also it's going to have a body of text kind of giving you a description of what the job title is. And then you have a affiliate link right here that you would click on. And then once you click on that link, it's going to take you over to your affiliate page. And like I said, the affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. Our job as affiliate marketers is to just get our prospect over to our affiliate page. That way they can start, looking at it and, being in a position to see results and start seeing traffic and getting sales. Okay. Now with this traffic, guys, I've seen things take off. The first week, first few days, if a couple weeks, a few weeks, maybe even a month, okay, for things start taking off. Okay. I didn't notice things myself start taking off for me when I first started. It took me about 4 or 5 months. Okay. And then once I started just hammering it in for 4 or 5 months, I started to see results. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys now what it looked like for me. It may not look like that for you. It may take you longer or it may take you shorter. Okay. All of these accounts, they're not created equal. You may have an account that works really good, and you may have an account that takes a little bit longer for you to see results. So it just depends. That's why you want to get multiple accounts. That way you can have each and every account working for you. Okay. And some may get there faster than what you want. Okay. So that's what I would recommend to you guys. Just stay active and stay sending out your emails every single day. Okay. Me personally, I like sending out my emails at around this time every night, between 10 to 11. Anytime before midnight is what I would really like to send my emails out. And that's when I do it. Okay. Now you don't have to, do it at night. You can do it in the morning, afternoon, whatever time you see fit, as long as you get the email out. Okay. I just say, nighttime works best for me and my schedule. I do other income opportunities online. So, this evening, I mean, in the evenings, I'm sorry, at night, taking away 5 to 10 minutes of my time just to send these emails, guys. It doesn't take long at all. All right. So we sent some emails out last night. Let's go ahead and check the results. Okay, I'm gonna take you over here to my back office of my ClickBank account. This is one of my ClickBank accounts that I use just for this challenge. I created a brand new ClickBank account just for this challenge, just to show you from day one on how this stuff works. If you were to grab an offer and just follow the process, okay, submit the emails and don't miss days. Okay, you send out an email every single day and you just keep doing it over and over and over again. Okay. So that's what we're doing, and that's what we did. Started from day number one. Okay, so today is Saturday. As you can see, October 11th right here, and then out the bottom, you see October 11th as well. Okay, so it knows that these are not some kind of fake screenshots or fake results or anything like that. It's real time. All right. What I like to do, guys, is show you the last 30 days. And it's a little bit about ClickBank. And why I love it so much is that ClickBank, has been around for a very long time. I've been with ClickBank over a century now. Okay, so I've been with ClickBank for a long time, and I've earned quite a bit of money with ClickBank. And I can tell you that this is a legit source. Okay, there's other networks that are legit as well, but ClickBank I've probably been with the longest. Okay, because I've promoted tons of different offers. They got tons of different niches: cooking, health and fitness, spirituality, personal growth, and make money online. There's just a lot of different, even home and garden. Like there's tons of different offers that you can promote, and I've promoted quite a bit of offers on ClickBank. Okay, that really work. They work really good. Okay, a lot of stuff that I do, most of the stuff I do is paid advertising. So a lot of these offers are really good, that I use and that I do earn income from. Okay, but this account I just made just for you guys. As you can see, it is the 11th. I'm doing the last 30 days of this challenge. I mean, the last 30 days of the challenge, and kind of seeing the results. And this is kind of what it looks like, guys, for the last 30 days. I mean, things have been pretty consistent. As you can see, we have some sales here. Okay. We also have some gaps here as well. Like, so we're not making sales every single day at this time. But eventually here in the next, month or two, you'll start seeing these sales get a lot closer together. And then eventually you will see sales every single day. Okay. But as of right now, it's been pretty consistent, to the month that we're in. We're still in month number 5 of this challenge. And as you can see, we made a sale here, maybe missed a day, came back and got a sale back to back, missed 2 days, but we then, when we came back here, guys, we got a sale 4 days in a row. Okay, which is really cool. We missed 3 days, okay, which is something that I don't see a lot. On that fourth day, we came back and got a sale. We missed a day, but then we got a sale 4 days in a row right here. Okay. We missed a day, and then we came back and got another 4 sales in a row. Okay, which is really good. We missed 2 days, got a sale back to back. We missed a day yesterday. We didn't get a sale, but today we did get a sale. We did earn money today. Okay, which is really good. Okay, and one another cool thing about ClickBank is that they pay every single Friday. Okay, so every Friday, you will get a check, or you will if you get direct deposit. Me, I do direct deposit, so I get it every Friday, and it's in my bank account, pretty quickly. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you guys that if you're looking for extra income, this is not going to make you rich or anything like that. But this can pay some bills. Okay. I mean, you can get this thing up to, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $1,800, $2,000 a month, all the way up to $5,000. That's the highest I've ever seen it, guys. Okay. So I'm just letting you know the income potential that's possible for you. Okay, so if you come in here and you follow the process, you follow what I'm showing you, you will see results and you will see sales. Okay, but I cannot promise you anything because I don't know if you're going to come in here and do what I'm showing you to do. Okay, now, I'm not the only one doing this. There's other people out here making money with this, making that type of money, the 1,500, 2 grand, 3,000, $5,000 a month. There's some people out here that are crushing it. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know, you're no different from me. I'm no different from you. When it comes to doing this method, guys, I'm no one special. I just seen somebody a while ago doing this method and they were successful in it. And all I did was go copy what they're doing. That's pretty much it. I didn't do anything special. I didn't take any magic pills or anything like that. I simply, I simply studied what these people were doing in our community. Okay, of the My Lead Gen Secret community. I studied what they were doing. I figured it out, and I just simply duplicated what they were doing. Okay, that's all I did. Okay, and me doing that is this result right here. Okay, follow what somebody else doing that showed me that I considered some kind of mentor in for this method. Okay. And then I just copied what they're doing. And then now I'm earning consistent income every week, week in and week out. I haven't missed a week where I haven't gotten paid from ClickBank. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you these results. These are real results. Like I said, it's not a fake screenshot. We're getting sales pretty consistent. So, excuse me. So, I'm gonna keep this thing going. Like I said, I've already sent out my emails for tonight. So they're already getting ready to go out. Okay, to all my subscribers. And then tomorrow I will meet you guys back here and we'll go over the results for tonight's email. So I'm gonna end this video on that note. Oh, first, let me show you how to get started. I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So if you come down here and click on the More tab, click on this MLGS True Freedom. Okay, it's going to take you to the landing page of the Mileage and Secret. Just come down here, guys, and as you can see, there's tons of testimonials. These people are earning income. Okay, I'm not the only one making money with this program. Okay, there's other people that are making money with Mileage and Secrets. I'm just wanted to throw this out there that it is possible for you if you come in and put in the work. Okay, if you're not going to come in and send out emails every day, stay committed to this thing, pay for the service. Okay, it's not going to work for you. Okay, you literally have to come in here and you have to do work. Okay, this is not some get rich quick scheme or anything like that. This is, you don't want to have the lottery ticket mentality, thinking that you get into something and then boom, you're going to be, making thousands of dollars next week. This method just not, this is not that. And if that's what you're looking for, this video is not for you. Okay. This is for someone who genuinely is looking to start an online business. Okay. That's consistent and that will work for you over time. And the more time you put in it, is going to pay you. Okay. After you stick with it. Okay. As you can see right here, guys, click on the Join MLGS now. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer on paying for this service, guys. I've been doing it over a few years now, guys. So, and I can tell you that I'm making more than what I'm putting in it. Okay, I can tell you that. All right, and I've been making more than what I'm putting in it. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys want to get started, send me a message. Let me know that you did sign up under my link. I do have some bonus emails that I would like to send you guys. That way you can hit the ground running pretty fast, and you can get there pretty quickly versus someone who doesn't have these emails. Okay, so send me a message. Let me know that you did get signed up. If not, no biggie. I'm still going to come in every day and send out emails. All right, so. I just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'll meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.